Hello students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In my previous video, we were discussing whistles and saving bristles. Before starting the video, I suggest you to go through the lesson by yourself so that you can understand the lesson more clearly. Let's summarize what we learned in the previous video. The story begins with the narrator describing about his father. The author tells that he has a big family of 14. His dad was a successful person. He worked as an efficiency expert and toured several factories advising them on how they can speed up their work. He was a tall and well-built and confident man, and he was proud of his family, his children. He strongly believed that we should not waste too many moments on doing tasks that could be done with fewer. His dad had a wonderful system of encouraging children to do household work. He would announce the task and ask his children to bid for extra pocket money, and the children who bid lower would get the task to do and earn some extra money. And he also was addicted to manage everything efficiently. So the author has used the term scientific management to describe his attitude. And yesterday we learned that how he managed everything efficiently, and how he has an eagle eye so that no one of his children could ever dream of lying to him. His dad was an expert at work and also at home. He buttoned his shirt starting from the button so to save time. Sometimes he used two brushes to save, so that he can save some time. Now, moving further in the story, the author is telling about his father's inability to bear criticism of his family. To show this, he tells about an incident which is, although the dad was strict with us at home, he could not tolerate any outsider criticizing us. Once our neighbor complained to him about my brother who has teased his son. Dad gave our neighbor a blank look and walked away. However, when he reached home, Dad actually made my brother do 100 sit-ups. In the book, it is the author has told that his father can't tolerate any outsider criticizing about his family, his children. And he told the incident that when a neighbor complained about his brother, and he gave just a blank look and walked away. And when he reached home, he scolded his brother. Dad knew how to handle children. He loved us more than he loved anyone else in the world. He respected us a lot too. The author again tells that his father was the greatest father in the world. He loved his children. He takes care of him, his brother and sister also, his family also. He always respected his children a lot. He respected their feelings. He always said that adults stop thinking the day they finish school. Children, however, are always eager to learn and question. And it is the duty of parents how they can build moral behavior, moral feeling of morality inside them. Dad often went on tours. When he returned, he would blow a whistle as he entered the main gate of our house. The tune was something he had composed himself. The author is telling that his father always went on tours, and when he returned from there, he went to he uh, he he whistled, and the whistle was an important call. Whistle was just like a alarm. It meant drop everything and run to the yard or face the music. Here, the father, that is author's father, whistled, and it meant that everyone leave what they are doing and go to the yard. He would whistle on many occasions. When we had some special family announcement, or when he was bored and want to have some fun with us, we were accustomed to this ritual and would assemble quickly in the yard. Whistle means in Hindi we tell it city, and accustomed, there is a word accustomed, it means be used to something. Here the author is telling that his father whistled on many occasions when when we had some special family announcement, his father used to whistle, or when his father was bored, he want to have some fun with the children, then he whistled. That was the custom, to the custom, and everyone should assemble quickly when hearing the sound of whistle. This whistle ceremony proved very useful one particular day when the author's house caught fire. The author is telling that, the narrator is telling that this whistle ceremony was very useful, proved very useful one day when his house caught fire, and due to bonfire of dry leaves, drive out of control and spread fire. And in this situation, his father whistled and everyone evacuated the house in 14 seconds only. Here, there is a word evacuated. Evacuated means moved from a dangerous to safe place. Means कहीं भी खतरनाक जगह से कहीं भी सुरक्षित जगह पे जाना. In Hindi we tell it. Sometimes he would whistle only to surprise us. He would look at us angrily as if we had done something wrong. The author is again telling that his father always whistle only to surprise. Sometimes he looked angrily, so in angry mood, and sometimes he gave a smile, divine smile. Then the children, after that, his father gave them candies in their hands, and this was the time when their children, the author's brother and sisters, all go and hug his father and held him tight. That moments were the best times the author had with his father, according to the author. Actually, this type of moment is very memorable, and the children along with the author hug him and hold him tight, and author was memorizing his childhood golden memories, and these memories can't be forgotten during the entire lifetime. And this is the end of the lesson, and I hope you all students has understood what all students have understood what I have explained. That's all for today. Thank you.